Hi, today's lesson is about the order of operations. Maybe you've seen problems like this before. And you wonder, how do I solve this problem? Where do I start? Well, there are rules for that. Remember this word, bed mass. The B stands for brackets. All problems that are in between brackets need to be solved first. The E stands for exponents. So problems like this, or the opposite of an exponent is a square root, they are all in the same area. Now the D is for division. However, the D and the M are as equal value. The M stands for multiplication, and they are both worth the same, and you just solve them from left to right, whatever comes first. So if you see 6 times 3 divided by 2, you first solve this and then that. The last two letters are the A from addition and the S from subtraction. And also these two are worth the same, and you solve them from left to right. So you can see this, you solve them this way. Let's take a look at some examples. So brackets. Look at this problem. I will first solve what's in between brackets. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And now my problem is 10 times 9, and the answer will be 90. I will first solve my problems in between the brackets. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 6 times 2 is 12, and my answer is 14. Okay, the next one, exponents. I'll first solve this one. 3 times 5 squared, so 5 squared is 25 times 3, and the answer is 75. Well, I first have to solve this in the bracket, because otherwise I can't continue. So this is 9. So now I have 9 plus 4 equals 13, plus 7 equals 20. Let's take a look at division and multiplication. Like I said, they are the same values, so you just do them from left to right. So if you have a problem like this, there's addition in here and multiplication. This is what you need to solve first. So that equals 20. So 2 plus 20 is 22. I have subtraction and I have division. This is what I have to do first. That equals 2. 20 minus 2 makes 18. Okay, here we have subtraction, multiplication, and addition. This is the part I have to do first. So 5 times 2 is 10. So now my new problem is 8 minus 10 plus 7. 8 minus 10 is minus 2 plus 7 is 5. The last ones, if you just have problems with only addition and subtraction in there, then you just do what you see first. 2 plus 7 is 9, minus 4 is 5. Now let's solve one large problem what contains all of these types of operations. I have to start everything between brackets, which is this part. However, there's also an exponent in there, so I have to solve this before I can continue. So this will be 3 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, so this will be 12. Okay, now what do I have left over? I have here addition, multiplications, addition, subtraction, and division. My next part is I have to do division and multiplication first. So here I see some multiplication, so that's going to make 8. And here I see some division, which is 3. So now my new problem is 3 plus 8 plus 12 minus 3, which equals 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 12 is 23, minus 3 is 20. One final problem. We first start with everything between brackets, which is this part, which is 18. Then I do exponents. Well, a square root is a version of that, and the square root of 25 is 5. Then I explore division and multiplication, which I see over here. 2 times 4 is 8. And then the rest, what's left over, is addition and subtraction. So I have 7 plus 8 minus 5 plus 18 equals 15 minus 5 is 10 plus 18 is 28. Thank you for watching. You can come up with your own problems, or you can find worksheets in the classroom or online.